How to install/update Xcode 26.3 on your Mac. Step-by-step guide. Hey developers, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to install or update Xcode 26.3 on your Mac step by step. No confusion, no mistakes. I'll share a pro tip at the end of the video to help you enable agentic coding, so make sure you watch till the end and don't miss it. What's new in Xcode 26.3? Xcode is Apple's official IDE for building apps on iPhone, iPad, Mac, Apple Watch, Vision Pro, and more. Xcode 26.3 includes Swift 6.2.3 and SDKs for iOS 26.2, iPad OS 26.2, TV OS 26.2, Watch OS 26.2, Vision OS 26.2, and Mac OS 26.2. With a major update to coding intelligence, Xcode adds support for agentic coding, helping you generate code, build and test your project, search Apple documentation, fix issues, and iterate visually using previews. Xcode has integrated support for OpenAL Codex and Anthropic Claude Agent. You can also connect other coding agents and tools using the Model Context Protocol. Before we start, check your Mac compatibility. macOS, Sequoia 15.6 or later is required to install Xcode 26.3. Install or update from Mac App Store. Step 1. Open the App Store on your Mac. Step 2. In the search bar, type Xcode and hit Return. Step 3. If you don't have Xcode installed, click Get or Install. If you already have a previous version, you'll see Update. Click that. Step 4. It may take some time because Xcode is large, 10+ gigabytes. Be patient. Step 5. Once installed, open Xcode arrow. Go to Xcode greater than about Xcode and check that it says version 26.3. Common tips and problems. Tip 1. Free up space. Make sure you have enough free storage. Xcode needs around 12 to 15 gigabytes. Tip 2. Update macOS. First, if your Mac doesn't support Xcode 26.3, update macOS to Sequoia 15.6 or later. Tip 3. Slow App Store downloads. Sometimes the App Store can be slow. If so, use the manual download method instead. Tip 4. Old simulator issues. After updating, your older simulators may need re-download inside Xcode's Preferences arrow components. The pro tip you've been waiting for is this. If the Coding Assistant option is not visible in Xcode 26.3, you need to update your macOS to the latest version, such as macOS Tahoe 26.3.1. Once updated, the Coding Assistant option will become available in Xcode, and you'll be able to use agentic coding features seamlessly. That's it. You're now ready to install or update Xcode 26.3 on your Mac. If this helped you, like, subscribe, and tell your coder friends. Comment below if you faced any problems. I'll help.